Hey everybody, good morning. It's Sunday morning here in the MI, Michigan. I just wanted to do a video about the rough spots of going to school, taking your prereqs for nursing. I am having a rough week emotionally. As you know, I work for a hospital and it is so hard because I'm just being real. I work at the bottom of the road when it comes to the bottom of the tree. I'm like the roots of the tree, okay? When it comes to the hierarchy in the hospital. And it is so hard to meet people that are already in the field that you want to be in. Oh my God, it just seems like, and I think more so because I'm an older nursing student, that it's just a constant reminder of how far behind I am. Oh my God, this is where I have to talk about the people that I admire because no matter what happened, they just keep on stepping on. And one is my husband. I mean, just bulldog faith, as his best friend used to call him. Just no matter what. I mean, his discouragement or his bad day is so different from anybody I know. He is just like, all right, God, how you gonna deliver us from this one? Okay, this didn't work out. What's gonna happen? And then my sister-in-law, both of them, I should say, they just, you know what? Here it is. They get it from their mama. My husband, his two sisters, and his mother, they are just, I'm a people person, so that means I've met all kinds. I know all kinds of people. They are the only people I know that they never like waver. It could be the worst of the worst. They'd be like, oh, okay, well, after you get through stitching me up, I gotta go to work. Oh, after you get through picking up the car from the bad accident, okay, I need to find out how I'm gonna get to work or how I'm gonna get to do this or how I'm gonna get to, like, life goes on. And I'm like, I want that. Yesterday at work, I was talking to a nurse practitioner and she looked maybe, I would say 30. And I'm like, wow, she's already a master nursing student. And I'm like, I am so far behind. I haven't even got accepted to a program yet. And my husband last night, he was like, honey, but you like almost there. You only got 3 classes to take before you have your associates. And I'm like, it don't mean nothing because nobody has told me that I'm in a program. Yep, you're accepted. I want my white coat. You know, as far as my career in nursing, it's either going to be as a nurse anesthetist, which is also called a CRNA, Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist, or a nurse practitioner, which is I call them nurse practitioners, like a baby doctor. They see patients for common things. They prescribe prescriptions for common things, which I like. I love helping people get well, and I love coming in and just changing the mood of the room, giving people their confidence, and just letting them know things are going to be okay. So, and for me, being an older student, I'm like, as soon as I get my bachelor's, it's like I got to be like, oh, thank you. Oh, it's been a journey. Master program, when does it start? And the nurse anesthetist part, I'm sort of thinking I probably won't, because if I was younger, like late 20s, early 30s, I might consider it. I don't think I want to deal with the insurance, the lawsuits, and when you, not that it won't happen as a nurse practitioner, because it can happen there, but it's more likely as a nurse anesthetist. And I'm like, do I want that? And I don't know. I'll see. But first I got to get through this part. But I'm just, doing this video to everybody who has those rough days. And for me, it's even rougher because every day that I work, I'm constantly hit in the face with how far behind I am. And just trying to stay goal-oriented. I think I told you guys I applied to a nursing program January 27th. I have until January 27th, 2013. I'm just trying to get through these last 6 weeks of this semester. it's just rough. I'm like, I feel like such a failure. Because I know better. I know better. And I'm hoping I can look at these videos 5, 10 years from now and say, look how far you've come. Anyway, everybody, just hang in there. Every class that we take, we're one class closer to our degree in nursing. And hang in there. Let me know how you're doing and what you're doing. And one of the things I'm thinking about doing, instead of using my iPhone, is to get back to a paper planner just for school. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing that. Last night I wanted a glass of wine. I don't drink. Well, yes, I do drink. I mean, this year had 1 or 2 glasses of wine, so I don't want to make it seem like, oh, holy am I. But last night after work, I was like, where's the bar? Oh, is that a bar? And then my husband called and was like, when I got home, he was like, you want to go to the movies? I was like, yeah, let's go to the movies. So I took off my scrubs and went to the movie to see Flight. But anyway, I'm rambling. All right, guys, hang in there. We can do this. Oh my God, we can do this. I can't wait till a year from now to see where we are and to talk about this day. Have a good Sunday. Bye.